All right, today we're going to do some simple proofs in geometry using segments. So they give us this problem, it's line segment with J, K, L, and M on it, and the thing that they give us is that line segment JL is congruent to line segment KM. All right, so we have JL is congruent to KM. So those two segments there, but we're going to do a proof. So we are going to write our statements here. And we're going to write our reasons over here. All right, so we have statement and a reason. The first thing that we're going to start off with is what they give us. So they give us that line segment JL is congruent to line segment KM. The reason for that is given. All right, so that is given. From there, we can go a little bit further and say the length of line segment JL is equal to the length of line segment KM. Okay, that is definition of congruence. So, definition of congruence. All right, from there, we are going to basically start building this proof. We're going to start saying things that we can say. So here we can say in number 3, we can basically look at our picture and do some simple things. If you look at it, JK, the length of line segment JK plus the length of line segment KL equals, and this is just a segment addition, and so we are going to do JK plus KL is JL. So that is number 3. The reason, just segment addition. We're going to do the same exact thing for the other line segment, KM. So we've already used this JL here. Now we're going to build one for KM. So KM is made up of length of line segment KL plus the length of line segment LM equals the length of line segment KM. All right, the same reason for that one is segment addition. All right, now we're going to break it down a little bit further, do some basically substitution. Because I know that JL is equal to KM, I can basically take this guy, whatever JL equals, and plug him in here, and whatever KM equals, and plug him into there as well. So the next thing that we are going to do is put those two things together. So the length of line segment JK plus the length of line segment KL equals KL plus LN. All right, this is number 5. The reason I can do that, that's substitution. We just substituted, instead of writing this JL, we wrote JK plus KL. All right, now we are going to subtract KL from both sides. All right, so we are going to look at this. If I minus KL from both sides, all right, do you see how they will cancel from both sides? But we're not going to do it vertically, we're going to do it horizontally. So number 6 is JK plus KL minus KL equals KL plus LM minus KL. This is subtraction property of equality. From there, if you look at this, the KL will cancel, that becomes 0. KL cancel. So we are going to be left with JK equals KL, the length of those line segments. So number 7 is just simplify. And then we can go back to the congruence as well. So now we have number 8, line segment JK is congruent to line segment KL. All right, that is our basic proof for today. Number 8 is definition of congruence. That's the reason for number 8. That is one proof, and let's see, we'll do another one here coming up later.